Hello friends, I am Professor Rajendra Koranne from my YouTube channel Teach Easy. In the previous video, we solved two problems on design of bolted connection. In this video, we will solve two more problems. So let us take the problem. Design a double cover butt joint to connect two 12 mm thick plates to transfer a factored load of 405 kilonewton. Use 20 mm diameter 4.6 grade bolts. Problem number 1 and 2 were of lap joint. This problem is of a double cover butt joint. What is given? The thickness of plates is given 12 mm. Now thickness of cover plate is not given. How thickness of cover plate is calculated? It is generally total thickness of cover plate is 1.25 times the thickness of main plate. So the thickness of one cover plate will be 0.625 times the thickness of main plate, that is 5 by 8 times 12, that is 7.5 mm. But 7.5 mm thick plates are not available. Therefore, we will use the cover plate, two cover plates, each of thickness 8 mm. Now in this case, it is double cover butt joint. Therefore, the bolts will be subjected to double shear. Therefore, Nn plus Ns is equal to 2. As usual, nothing is specifically mentioned regarding the shear planes. We will take Ns is equal to 0. Therefore, Nn is equal to 2. Now, let us calculate the strength of bolts in double shear, that is VDSB. As usual, FUB upon root 3 into Nn into ANB upon gamma MB. Okay, so it will be 400 into Nn is equal to 2 into ANB is 245 because it is 20 mm diameter plate divided by root 3 into 1.25, this is gamma MB into 10 raised to 3 to convert in kilonewton. It comes out to be 90.53 kilonewton. Let us see that this is the first value. Now here we want to design. We do not know what is pitch, what is edge distance. We have to provide them. Let us assume that pitch is 2.5 D, D is 20, so it is 50 mm, and E is 1.5 D0, as diameter is 20, D0 is 22, so 22 into 1.5 is 33 mm. As usual, calculate KB. KB is the minimum of first E upon 3 times D0, second P upon 3 times D0 minus 0.25, third one FUB upon FU, and fourth one is 1. So out of all those, the minimum value is 0.5, so KB is equal to 0.5. Now, for calculating VDPB, that is design bearing strength of bolt, we will require the thickness of plate, that is TP. Now here, two cover plates are there. Their total thickness is 8 and 8, and the main plate is 12 mm. So 8 plus 8 and 12 mm. Minimum of these is 12 mm. Therefore, TP will be taken as 12 mm. VDPB as it is calculated as usual, 2.5 into FU into D into TP into KB upon gamma MB into 10 raised to 3 for conversion into kilonewton. This comes out to be 98.4 kilonewton. Let us say that this is second one. Now bolt value definitely will be minimum of strength in shearing and strength in bearing. Therefore, it is minimum of 1 and 2. Therefore, bolt value is 90.53 kilonewton. Do you understand this? Now, once we calculate the bolt value, we can find out the number of bolts required. Number of bolts required is equal to factored load to be carried divided by bolt value, that is 405 upon 90.53, which comes out to be 4.57, say 5. Now, how to provide 5 bolts? Provide a double cover butt joint as shown in the figure. So these are 5 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Okay, we have already taken value of P as 50 mm, value of D0 as 33 mm, and we have already assessed that bearing strength is greater than shearing strength. So there is no question of assumption. So these 5 bolts are shown like this. This is one plate, this is another plate, this is cover plate, this is main plate, this is cover plate 1, main plate. This is pitch 50 mm, pitch 50 mm, this is edge distance, okay, this is edge distance, this is edge distance, this is end distance, okay. So this is how it is necessary to draw the figure when you are designing a particular joint, okay. So this is one problem of double cover butt joint. Let us solve one more problem of design. In this problem of design, we have to find out the pitch so that the strength of that joint and strength of the plate will be same, that is the joint will be strongest. So let us see how to proceed. So this is second example. 2 steel flats of grade Fe410, each 150 mm by 8 mm, are to be joined using 16 mm diameter 4.6 grade bolts to form a lap joint. Again, this is a problem of lap joint. Previous problem was of double cover butt joint. Design the joint and determine the pitch of the bolts for the strongest joint. This joint we have to design for a factor load of 165 kilonewton. Okay. Now let us see what is the strongest joint and all these things. Here we have to design a lap joint. As this is a lap joint, the bolts will be in single shear. So Nn plus Ns will be equal to 1. So Nn will be 1 because Ns is equal to 0. Okay. As usual, this is a 16 mm diameter bolt of grade 4.6. So VDSB in single shear will definitely come out as 29 kilonewton. Now, how this 29 kilonewton is calculated? Can you tell me? Okay, VDSB is equal to, as usual, FUB into AN into ANB divided by root 3 into gamma MB, and which comes out to be 29 kilonewton. Okay, again here what is the value of FUB? As it is 4.6 grade, FUB will be 400. Okay, then NN will be 1. What will be ANB? As it is a bolt of diameter 16 mm, ANB definitely here will be 157 mm square. So put all these values, you will get VDSB is equal to 29 kilonewton. Now as usual, we will assume that VDPB is greater than VDSB, and as VDPB is greater than VDSB, that is bearing strength greater than shearing strength, therefore bolt value will be shearing strength, that is 29 kilonewton. Now as usual, find out the number of bolts required. Number of bolts required will be factored load to be carried divided by bolt value, that is the strength of one bolt. So 165 divided by 29, it comes out as 5.7, that is 6 bolts. Okay, so we have to provide 6 bolts. How to arrange them? Arrange the bolts as shown. Okay, So look here how the bolts are arranged. So the bolts are arranged in 3 rows. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. In each row there are 2 bolts. Okay. Now this width of the plate is given 150. Now this is pitch, this is pitch. So half the pitch on this side, half the pitch on this side. So this is the pitch length, 1 pitch length. Because we want to find out pitch here. Here we cannot assume pitch is equal to 2.5 D or something like that. Because we want to find out the pitch so that the joint will be strongest. Okay. So in this 1 pitch length, 2 bolts are falling. Okay. So 1 pitch length consists of 2 bolts. Therefore, bolt value per pitch length will be 2 into bolt value, that is 2 into 29, that is 58 kilonewton. Now let us see what do we mean by the strongest joint. For the strongest joint, strength of plate per pitch length must be equal to bolt value per pitch length. In short, the joint will be said to be strongest when the strength of the bolts and strength of the plates are equal. Here we are considering 1 pitch length, therefore these strengths are per pitch length. So strength of plate per pitch length is equal to BV per pitch length. Now what is the strength of plate per pitch length? Only B will be replaced by P. So 0.9 into Fu into P minus D0 into T upon gamma MB into 10 raised to 3 for converting into kilonewton must be equal to BV. Again I will repeat 0.9 into Fu. Again I am repeating, whenever there is Fu it is always multiplied by 0.9. Because you know the reason, there is no reserve strength beyond ultimate strength. So 0.9 into Fu, P is pitch minus D0, 18 into thickness, that is 8. What thickness is taken? 8. Because each plate is of thickness 8 mm. Divided by gamma M1, that is for resistance to ultimate stress, that is 1.25 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to 58. If you solve this, you will get the value of P as 42.56 mm. What is the minimum pitch? 2.5 D. D is 16. So 2.5 into 16 is 40. This is greater than 40. Hence it is safe. As it is 42.56, we will provide the pitch of 45 mm. So whenever the pitch of 42.56 will be provided, the strength of the bolt and strength of the plate will be equal. So we provide round up 45 mm. When P will be 45, what will be E? This total distance is 150 minus 2 pitches, minus 2 into 45, okay? Remaining distance is this and this, so divided by 2 is 30 mm. Therefore, provide pitch of 45 mm and edge distance of 30 mm. For these two distances, if you find out as usual, KB will be 0.56. How do we find out KB? KB is minimum of E upon 3D0. Second, P upon 3D0 minus 0.25. Third, FUB upon FU. And fourth is 1. So, minimum of this is 0.56. Again, find out VDPB. VDPB is equal to 2.5 into FU into KB into D into TP. Okay? Divided by gamma MB 10 raised to 3 for converting into Newton. So if you substitute all these values, it will come out as 58.78. Now you can very easily see that VDPB is 58.78, VDSB is 29. As VDPB is greater than VDSB, the assumption is correct. Therefore, provide 6 numbers, 16 5 bolts of grade 4.6 as shown in the figure. So this is also one of the problems which is generally asked in the examination. Therefore, with this, we have solved 4 problems of design. We have already solved the problems on strength and efficiency, the problems to find out shearing strength, problems to find out bearing strength, problems to find out strength of plate in tension. Okay. So with this, we finish bolted connections. In the next video, we will start with welded connection. Now, please see the description for the assignment number 2 based on bolted connections. Okay, so here I will stop. Thank you.